Alright, it's a simple message, you people. Which way is up? Is it this way? Is this up? Is this up? Maybe it's that way. Where's that way? Ooh. Oh, which way's up? Everybody tell me which way's up, which is up, which is down, which is up and down, which is up and down, which is right and wrong, which is left and right. I feel good, it makes me good when I do good. I feel bad when I do bad, man. Well, the current governments of the planet Earth are doing shit bad. Did you guys forget what Lincoln said? Government by the people, of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from this earth. He didn't say from America, he said from the earth. We speak to the earth's people. Hello? Earth, it's a planet. You don't have countries. We declare all countries illegal. All laws are illegal. Goodbye laws, goodbye countries. Wake up, people. Wake up.